1:06.5. Right, Junior Dragster. Eliminations round 2. First up. Let's have a quick look. Thomas Cook Abbott and Frankie Taylor. Frankie dials in 8.15.
Oh, this is round 2 as well, I think.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be round 1.
They did round 1 yesterday.
I've been here for a week, I think.
Yeah. Oh, it's only 200ths of a second on dial-ins between these two. Thomas Cook Abbott 8.13, Frankie 8.15. Right, Junior Dragster points. Let's have a look there. Thomas Cook Abbott is number 8 in the points. Frankie not featuring
Deep
in
staged
the
as well. Which didn't help. Racing to the 8th mile. Provided he didn't break out. There we go.
Yeah.
Thomas Cook Abbott.
Oh, look at that. 0.004 win margin. I tell you what, Thomas did let off early there, but Frankie, she nearly had him.